Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section, let's scroll and find the sounds and vibration. Then let's tap on the ringtone. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we'll be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option silent, which means that your device will not use any sound to notify about the incoming call. Let me actually increase the ringtone volume, so you will be able to hear the ringtones, which is more in the right upper corner. We've got this plus icon, and there we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got anything, for example, downloaded from the internet, it will appear right here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. In order to set something from the pre-installed ringtones, you have to simply tap on it, and thanks to tapping on it, you can also check how it sounds. So, for example, this one, let me increase the ringtone. This is how you can check whether you like the ringtone. Whether you like the ringtone or not. And let's pretend I want to set this one. So make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.